Boys, girls, guys, and squirrels, SoCloseToToast, welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Had a wonderful weekend. I was a little bit under the weather. Had to work. Caught a little sun. Contrast between the top of my head and my face. I think I got a little bit burnt. We're not here to waste time talking about all that stuff. We're here to actually check out Tyladubya, or is it Tyladubya? Regardless, one of my favorite beatbox content creators. I feel like we don't talk about him enough, but he has great tutorials, and now he's doing some challenges. And so he's got this new challenge here with some beatboxers that you may know. And I feel like it's been a while since we watched a solid beatbox challenge. Maybe we should catch up on some of Collapse's. We haven't watched all of his, but he's doing pro beatboxers completing the longest sound challenge. Longest sound. What is your longest sound? I've released one of my longer sounds where it's just basically just the bass voice and holding that note as long as possible. That was my thing. But I'm interested to hear if they're doing like Sega sounds or if there's like a really long lip roll. Like how long can a post snare really be? Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to contribute and let me know of videos to check out for the future, you know what to do. Drop a comment down below. Let's get right into it.
Today we're gonna find out how long pro beatboxers can do sounds for.
Always got them in the studio.
He got techniques. I still had breath left, but the tongue just like stopped going.
Content like this, man.
That was a really good one.
This is what we were missing out the past couple of years.
I've been wanting to do this video ever since I stitched one of his videos on TikTok, and I got over like 3 million views
From
for
2020.
making fart noises.
Yeah.
For like 40 seconds. And today I'm at the Bush Beatbox Battle with some of the best beatboxers in the world, and we're gonna try to do some of the most popular beatboxing sounds for as long as we can.
What a clean video, you know? It's very professionally made.
Vocoder.
Ready? 3,
Love that.
1, go!
Look at them, they're all in a trance. They're like, you gotta meditate. I can only right now hear like vocoder and inertia. Yeah.
Winner, inertia.
Now take a sip of water, please. OD bass.
Hershey, Tyladubya, Hunty,
Okay.
Shield,
Okay.
Theo, Amit.
Okay. This is a stacked lineup. This should be fun. Like if you just mute the video, it becomes very bizarre to watch. Like what's going on here? Look. Oh my gosh. Look at his tongue go. That sounds really weird. Out of context. Nice.
Winner, Tyladubya.
And I feel like somebody's gonna pull a muscle or pop like a blood vessel.
Chrysalis,
It's possible.
Decoy, Coldness,
Oh my
Daniel,
gosh, look at this.
Tyladubya,
Dude, he got like
Delusion.
everyone in this.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Open up the pit. Dude. I kind of hope Hiss samples this in a weird way. Oh my god, Coldness was dancing. Putting a tempo on it. Keep it going. He's relaxed. He's in the zone. He's one with the sound. Oh my gosh, look at that vein.
Delusion,
Oh. W.
Plant, Galoosh, Tyladubya, Alexinho.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2,
Only 4 for this one.
go!
Oh. What a wild, like, sound to catch on. Everyone's screaming in the background. They're very hyped about this one. feel like this sound could be, this could go on for definitely a minute, right? Come on, Alex. I see him struggling a little bit. No. Oh my gosh. We like missed Alex's face. Where do I put myself? It's too hard. Come on, 1 minute, 1 minute. You're right there, you're right there. Boom.
Winner.
Wow.
Plant.
Damn.
Caleb.
Oh my god. Somebody's always going to be covered.
Chrysalis. Plant. Dakota. Bloomer. Tyladubya. Napom.
Ready?
Okay, this is stacked
2, 1,
to the 9.
go!
Yo, just this right here. Beatboxers got good styles. Napom's chilling. I knew it. Ah! He's chilling. With like this smooth jazz in the background really sets the tone for this. Dude, what? What?
Winner. Napom.
That was a good one to end on. You want to see what my longest sound could be? Oh, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what your longest sound is. I feel like this video is just a perfect beatbox consumption challenge where it's just nice and clean, edited perfectly. I like the little fighting game effects and the little countdowns. It was just very well done, and just, you know, shout out to all the beatboxers in here. Shout out to Tyla and the team, and shout out to you guys for stopping by. Let me know of other videos to check out for the future. Drop that L, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Jig 'em and bake 'em.